welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have another cooking video for you guys. You know I love to fucking show you how to fucking cook. So yeah, today we're going to be making conchitas. At least that's what I call them. I know my mom used to make them for me, and she used to call them like pico something, I don't know. So yeah, you're going to need some ground beef. I have turkey. I put some grease in it so it won't stick to the pan. And I'm just going to brown it till it's a little pinkish. Here I need some tomato sauce. And then I'm going to use these shells because I don't have any shells. And I don't want to go to the HEB because it's like super dark and it looks like it's going to thunder. So yeah, I need to change my battery before it dies. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to use these shells and I'm going to use the cheese for my potatoes I'm going to do on the side. I'm cutting up some bell peppers, some onions. I'm making, let me turn the light. I'm making some little red potatoes to be on the side. And then I'm going to pair it with some corn. So yeah, let me finish cutting these up. Oh shit, my ground beef's like popping and popping over there. Okay, let's finish chopping. You can put in whatever you like. It's just simple ingredients I like. Okay, no, not that much. Save the rest of the batter. Let me tell y'all though. Okay, so for the potatoes I'm cooking, I ended up cutting some real chopped up garlic in fine little pieces. And I cut the big size potato so they don't take too long to cook. I drizzled it with some salt, some pepper, and I gave it some vegetable oil. And then I put some garlic seasoning. So they taste super good. They're almost done. And so is this meat. Hold on. Popping in. So I'm going to save this cheese packet for our potatoes. Now we're going to let these shells get brown, not burn. Add some water until you can't really see the noodles. And then our tomato sauce. You can add some tomatoes, Guys, this is the complete look. Cheese mashed potatoes and the conchitas with some flour tortillas. Not real tortillas. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next.